Welcome back to our JavaScript journey. In the last session, we learned what JavaScript is and wrote our first lines of code. Today, we are taking it to the next level. We explore control flow, how JavaScript makes decisions and functions, the building blocks of every JavaScript program. By the end of this session, you'll be able to write a program that thinks, replay tags, and react to user input. Let's go. Imagine you're a game character at a crossroad. You can go left, right, or front depending on the situation. Control flow in JavaScript works the same way. It decides what happens next based on conditions. Let's say we are checking the weather to decide whether we should take an umbrella. We can use a code like this. How it works? If weather is rainy, we take an umbrella. If it's sunny, we wear sunglasses, otherwise we just enjoy the day. As you can see, the program tells me take an umbrella. Here's a challenge: change the value of weather and run the code in the console. Imagine you want to print the numbers from 1 to 5. Instead of writing console.log1, console.log2 or as manually, you can use a loop. For loop. Perfect when you know how many times you want to replay an action. For example, if I hit the enter, print this. First part of loop, start counting from 1. You can change a number. The middle part or part 2, stop when I reached 5. And the last part, increase I by 1 in each loop. While loop. Great for when you don't know in advance how many times to replay it. And this code runs until counter reaches 3. I change the number to 1000 and hit enter. As you can see, it printed all. Wow. Here's a challenge. Try to change a condition and see what happens. A function like a mini program in your program. It takes inputs, processes them, and gives an out. Let's create a function that creates a user by name. Why use functions? Reusable, write once, use multiple times. Organize, keep your code clean. Dynamic, works with different inputs. Here's a challenge: modify the functions to grade users differently based on time of day. Let's build a basic password validation system using everything we learned. And hit enter. Okay. Test it with different passwords. Want to level up? Modify the functions to give the user 3 attempts before blocking access. So, what we learned today? What control flow is and how to use if, else if, and else. How loops make our code more efficient. What functions are and how they make code reusable. Mini project build a password checker. In the next session, we explore array and object, the most important data structure in JavaScript. If you enjoyed this session, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Also, drop a comment. What's your favorite part of JavaScript so far? Let's chat.